Starting a small business that doesn't fail and leads you to financial freedom is like embarking on an exciting adventure. It's a journey filled with challenges, risks, and rewards. But fear not, because I'm here to guide you through the ins and outs of building a successful business from the ground up. First things first, you need a solid business idea. Think about what you're passionate about, what skills you possess, and what the market needs. Your idea should be unique, innovative, and able to solve a problem or fulfill a need. Remember, passion is the fuel that will drive your business forward, so choose something you truly believe in. Next, it's time to do your research. Study your target market, analyze your competitors, and understand the industry trends. This knowledge will help you position your business effectively and make informed decisions along the way. Remember, knowledge is power, so arm yourself with as much information as possible. Now, let's talk about planning. A well-thought-out business plan is your roadmap to success. It should outline your business goals, target audience, marketing strategies, financial projections, and more. A clear plan will keep you focused, organized, and on track to achieve your objectives. So, take the time to craft a detailed and realistic business plan that will serve as your blueprint for success. When it comes to funding your business, there are various options available. You can bootstrap, seek investors, apply for loans, or explore crowdfunding. Choose the option that aligns with your financial situation and business goals. Remember, financial management is crucial for the sustainability of your business, so keep a close eye on your cash flow and expenses. Marketing is key to attracting customers and growing your business. Utilize social media, content marketing, SEO, email campaigns, and other digital strategies to reach your target audience. Build a strong brand identity, engage with your customers, and provide exceptional value to stand out in a crowded market. Remember, consistency is key in building brand awareness and loyalty. As you navigate the ups and downs of entrepreneurship, remember to stay resilient, adaptable, and open to learning from your mistakes. Surround yourself with a supportive network of mentors, advisors, and fellow entrepreneurs who can offer guidance and encouragement along the way. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, so stay patient, persistent, and dedicated to your vision. In conclusion, starting a small business that doesn't fail and leads you to financial freedom requires passion, research, planning, funding, marketing, and resilience. By following these steps and staying committed to your goals, you can turn your business dreams into reality. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards building a successful and sustainable business today.